A world cruise with an Australian twist, Virgin Voyages changes its Aussie season before it even begins, and a Scottish town bans ships from blowing their horns. I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guy. If you're new here, I produce cruise-related content every week here on YouTube, so if you like the video, please consider subscribing. The premium cruise market, think Celebrity, Holland America, and Princess, among others, is set to continue its recent growth spurt. According to the 2023 Cruise Industry News Annual Report, the segment will grow in capacity by 20% in the next decade. The rise is attributed mostly to the launch of new big ships, with Princess's brand new Sphere-class vessels responsible for adding over 4,000 berths alone. Anecdotal evidence suggests that premium cruise lines are continuing to rise in popularity, buoyed mostly by their more inclusive fare structures and the expectation of higher quality onboard services and amenities. A 3-year world cruise that would allow its residents to live, work, and explore on board has already been plagued with a range of issues just months after its announcement. Scheduled to set sail this November, the unique Life at Sea experience would see its residents visit 375 ports across 135 countries. With plans to dock in cities for up to 7 nights, guests would really get the opportunity to have a local experience. The epic voyage was set to take place on board the 1992-built MV Gemini, but according to a CNN article, that ship has since been deemed unseaworthy. Adding further complication, the people behind the audacious voyage, being the founding team at Life at Sea, have all since stepped away from the project. Executives of Life at Sea parent company Mirai International have insisted the voyage will proceed as planned, but thanks to corporate instability and questions over the seaworthiness of the proposed ship, many passengers that had already secured their place on board now want a refund. Whether it goes ahead or not, the concept is certainly compelling, but I think even for me, 3 years at sea would be just a little too much. A more reasonable world cruise option, though, is the one offered locally by Princess Cruises. The cruise line is the only one that offers a world voyage that both starts and ends down under. Its smallest ship, Coral Princess, embarked on its 107-night world cruise last Sunday, setting sail from Sydney. Officially, passengers could also choose to board in Auckland and Brisbane. The bucket list cruise will see the ship and its passengers sail around the world via the Suez and Panama Canals and will visit 6 continents along the way. Princess's annual world cruises are an amazing chance to see the world with the incomparable convenience of avoiding air travel. The 2024 and 25 world cruises are on sale now, and if you'd like more information about them, you can complete the inquiry form on my website. This week, Virgin Voyages announced the cancellation of several upcoming cruises that were part of its maiden Australian cruise season. Citing market demands, the cruise line replaced 4 longer cruises on board its Resilient Lady with 7 shorter cruises, each ranging in length from 3 to 6 nights. The new cruise lineup even includes one 4-night voyage that sails from and returns to Sydney, which I'm sure will please residents of Australia's cruise capital. There is a curious gap in Resilient Lady's schedule though, between Thursday, February 15th and Monday, February 19th, but that could very well be a trade or media event. And finally, a single complaint from a resident of the Scottish Highlands has seen the cancellation of ships' horns. That's right, as reported in the Sunday Times, ships that depart from Invergordon, Scotland, are no longer able to have their horns sounded. A single resident was apparently so offended by the noise that they complained to the local port authority, and in response the blanket ban was almost immediately applied. The local community has since circulated a petition to bring back ships' horns, with the call to action reading, "We must make a stand and bring back the horns of the cruise liners. A blast of the horn has happened for years and is a tradition." Surely that's like living next to a railway line and complaining about the noise of trains? Seems odd. Well, that's it for this week's cruise news update. Wherever you are, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to book a cruise, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and you can also give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guy. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. A world cruise with an Australian twist. A world cruise with an Australian twist. Virgin Voyages changes. A world cruise with an Australian twist. Virgin Voyages changes its Aussie season. If you enjoy cruise-related videos, I think you'll enjoy my channel. A 3-year world cruise that would allow its sighting market demands, the cruise line replaced 7